This is the Xpanda Alu-X-Dor, a traditional type design security barrier, and also the original all-aluminium security barrier. The product features 3 rows of aluminium X-type flights, traditional type flights, and is manufactured out of a single 20mm square aluminium tube upright. This product features a single key entry, single locking slam lock. The entire lock assembly is housed in an aluminium extrusion, ensuring additional strength as well as longevity against corrosion. The product is also chemically anchored to the reveal it's affixed to, ensuring a permanent bond between product and mortar. Our consultants are standing by if you require any further information on this product. For an obligation-free quotation, simply click the Get a Quote button and one of our trained consultants will be in touch with you shortly.